If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today we're making Filipino-style menudo. Here are the ingredients: pork butt, pork liver, garlic, onions, tomatoes, hot dogs, red bell peppers, raisins, potatoes, annatto oil, and soy sauce. Other seasonings will be listed in the description. Let's marinate our liver in soy sauce. Give it a mix. It doesn't need to marinate for a long time, but make sure to drain the soy sauce when we're ready to add this to our menudo. Then we're gonna fry our potatoes. When it's cooked, set it aside. And then the hot dogs. Let's saute the garlic. Then the onion. Then the tomatoes. When the onion is translucent, add the pork butt. When the meat turns brown, add the annatto oil. Some use tomato sauce, but I prefer annatto oil just for the color. I don't want my menudo to taste like afritada. Then add about 3 cups of water. When it boils, add the pork liver. Let it cook for about 20 minutes in medium heat. Then add the fish sauce. Add about half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of salt. When the meat is tender, add the raisins. Then the hot dogs. then the red bell peppers. When the sauce is ready, add the cooked potatoes. This is pretty much done. Just make sure to taste it. You can add more salt or fish sauce if needed. Here's our Filipino style menudo. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.